Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20A. Question number 6. Find the area of an isosceles triangle with the perimeter 36 centimeter and base 60 centimeter. What is given in this? The perimeter of the triangle, isosceles triangle, is given, that is 36 centimeter, and the base of the triangle is 16 centimeter. We know in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and the base is given, that is 16 centimeter. So the red sides which are not there given, they are equal. So let the sides be A and A. When the base is given, that means that is the unequal one and the other two sides are equal. So A plus 16 is 36. A plus A becomes 2A plus 16 is equal to 36. That is 2A is equal to 36. 16 goes to the other side and becomes subtraction. And that becomes 20. 2A is 20. So A is 20 divided by 2. That is 2 is multiplied by A. So 2 comes here and it becomes divide. So A comes out to be 10. That is means each side is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we need to find the area. We got the side. Now in an isosceles triangle, what we see, this is the base, this is the vertex, you can say, because these two sides are same. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex or the altitude from the vertex divides the base into two equal portions. So the base is 16, so each portion will become 8. The altitude is the 90% from the vertex on the base. So now we will find, let it be D. We will find AD with the help of Pythagoras theorem. This we found as 10. So we know by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square according to the Pythagoras theorem. Fine. So now we know AB is 10 we have found and BD is 8 centimeter because AD, the altitude, I'll write it down, the altitude divides the base into two equal portions, into two equal halves. Fine. And this is the case for the isosceles and the equilateral triangle. Fine. So now AD square is equal to AB square. AB is 10 square minus BD. BD is 8, half of 16. 100 minus 8 is 64. That is 36. So AD square is equal to 36. AD is square root of 36, that is 6 centimeter, because the side is given and perimeter is given in centimeter. Now we know area of a triangle is half base into height. So now the base is BC in this triangle. The base is BC, the whole base BC, and height is AD. Fine. Height is, which makes a 90 degree on the base, that's the height. So this is half, base is BC, BC is 16, and a height AD we calculated, that is 6. Fine. So now 8 2s are 16, we can cut. 8 6s are 48. As it is the area, so the unit for area is centimeter square.